and welcome back to Lavender Cocoa Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a drink that it's become very popular in so many cafes today, and that is a turmeric latte, or it's also can be known as a golden milk. And this is an amazing drink. It's mostly made with turmeric, and it really does have some really amazing health benefits. It's something that Indians have been doing for a long time. My husband always has this drink before bed, that it's just becoming popular now in the Western countries. And it's actually really easy to make at home. And it's generally hot, and you can make this drink and make it a warm drink, which is traditional. But I'm going to show you how to make it into a smoothie with the addition of banana, which boosts the health benefits even more and just adds an extra sweetness, which it probably does need, as turmeric can be a little bit bitter, especially if you're not used to it. So I'll just show you how to make this easy, delicious and very nutritious drink. So it's really easy. You just need some almond milk and just 1 cup of that. Okay, and then the turmeric. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric, which is the main spice in this, and gives the drink its lovely golden colour. Add some more very beneficial spices like cinnamon, very good for helping to lower blood sugar, 1/4 teaspoon, and ginger, which is very good for any kind of pain, so 1/4 teaspoon of that, and cardamom, which can help lower blood pressure, 1/4 teaspoon, and about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh black pepper, which helps to activate the turmeric so the body can get more benefits out of it. And just to round off the flavour, you can put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So if you did want to make this into a warm drink, you could actually just do what I did there, but put it in a saucepan instead and just gently heat it till it's all combined. But if you want to make a nice, refreshing, cool drink, which is great in summer or warm weather, and really refreshing in the afternoon as a pick-me-up, just helps you wake up a bit. And at the same time, also good before bed, because it actually relaxes the body for sleeping as well. And 1 ingredient that's really good for that is banana. So it's great to use overripe bananas in this. It's a good way to use them up. And I find if I have bananas that are going black like that, I just stick them in the freezer, and then I can just get them out anytime I want to make something like this. So you just got to just thaw it a little. Just run it under some cold water, just until it's starting to thaw a little bit. It doesn't really matter if the skin looks gross. Actually, you can eat the skin of the banana too, if you like. It could be a little bitter, but you can just scrape it off like that. But it actually is edible, and it also is full of nutritional benefits. So just slice it into the blender. Okay, so that's it. Now you just have to blend it until it's nice and smooth. And there we have turmeric latte smoothie, or golden milk smoothie. So here we have the turmeric latte smoothie, or the golden milk smoothie. And if you never tried this, I encourage you to give it a go, because it really is a really tasty drink, and it's just got so many health benefits, and you can drink it at any time of the day or in the evening before bed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.